Hola, howdy, hello. So, greetings, folks. This is Saranya Naranamurthy here to talk about the mind business. So, today, the fifth session of the podcast is about go on. So, moving on to the last session of the first season, we are having a brief talk on how to go on. After knowing how to control your mind, finding out your passion, how to make it a desire, and starting, the most important aspect that separates the starting crowd from the winning crowd is the attitude to go on. Million people dream, thousands of them plan, hundreds of them start, but only 10 people move on. Despite anything and everything life goes on, and among them, there is only one successor. So when considering why people give up on things they love the most, every one of us have our own practical reasons. Family scenes, life settlements, financial statements, responsibilities, commitments, etc., etc., etc. Excuses are everywhere, right? Okay, so this might be the practical excuses. But what if your dream works out and greets you with enormous success? What if your dream wins you your life's purpose? What if you live your life dream? So this will be your thoughts when you are 60, when it's too late. At that time you will be left with nothing but regrets. The worst way to spend your life is by sulking into darkness and regrets and imagining a life where you could have worked for your dreams. Imagining. Agree? Okay, if yes, then what are you waiting for? Life is what you make it. The way of how you frame life. Do it. Just do it. Do what you feel like doing it. Spend your dream life dreaming and your real life hustling for yourself and your goal. Do it for a week and then you'll know how great life feels like and how peaceful the sleep is. Do it, just do it, go on. Despite anything and everything life throws upon you, go on in a life carrying a positive attitude. Life doesn't give you more than anything you can bear. If it makes your existence tough, just remember it is strengthening you for a purpose and for a brand new battle, giving you a better version of yourself. Go on despite your failures or struggle. Life gives you exceptional rewards. When life gives you lemon, ask for salt and you got a lemonade. So start your dream, stay on your path and live your life king size. Stay tuned on the podcast until the next season, which is going to be released shortly. Until then, hustle, hustle, hustle and hustle. For every time motivation and for many more returns, the mind business. Bye bye.